Making a short film can be an exciting and rewarding creative endeavor. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced filmmaker, the process can be a great opportunity to tell a meaningful story or experiment with different cinematic techniques. To create a short film, there are a few key steps to follow. First, start by brainstorming ideas for your film. Think about the theme or message you want to convey and develop a compelling story around it. Take some time to write a script or create a storyboard to plan out the shots and plot. Next, gather your equipment and cast. Depending on your budget and resources, you can use a smartphone or a professional camera to shoot your film. Enlist friends or local actors to bring your characters to life. Once you have your script and equipment ready, it's time to start filming. Find suitable locations for your scenes and set up your shots using proper lighting and framing techniques. Remember to capture a variety of angles and close-ups to add depth and visual interest to your film. After you've completed the shoot, it's time for the post-production process. Transfer your footage to a computer and use video editing software to assemble the shots into a cohesive narrative. Add sound effects, music, and any necessary visual effects to enhance the overall quality of your film. Lastly, don't forget to showcase your short film. Submit it to film festivals, share it on social media platforms, or organize a screening for friends and family. Sharing your work with others can lead to valuable feedback and opportunities for growth. In conclusion, making a short film involves developing an idea, planning the shoot, capturing the footage, and editing it into a final product. It's a creative journey that allows you to express your storytelling skills and explore the world of filmmaking. So grab your camera and let your imagination take flight. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.